Hey guys, I'm Kayla, and today I'm conquering my fear of riding a motorcycle, and I'm super duper nervous. Feel like a gerbil. Do I look like a Power Ranger? I don't know what that means. Thank you. Oh, my bad. Oh, he's picking up speed. Okay, baby steps, people. Baby steps. Breeze is nice. This helmet is heavy. I never thought you would sweat so much on a motorcycle. Like, there's a lot of sweat going on. Oh geez, I cannot believe I'm on a motorcycle because one of my family members died on a motorcycle, and I promised myself I was not going to get on a motorcycle. But you know what? I'm going to be, fearless and face my fears, because you only live once. And then the next one I'm gonna face is skydiving. Oh geez. I'm kind of nervous about that one, for real. It's a really good time, actually. It's a smooth ride. Okay, I'm going a bit too fast there. So I just got back from the ride, and I'm not afraid anymore at all. It's really not even that bad, honestly. But I wouldn't own one. I would be on the back of one, but I could never ride one by myself. But yeah, it was actually pretty fun. I would do it again pretty soon. But yeah, that's it.